Look at Angela. Just got her car back from the detail shop. Ooh, look at that shine. Look at that shine. Boy, let me tell you what. That thing is looking phenomenal. Yeah. Wow. Look at that. So fantastic. Does such a good job. Really good job on the body. Like, if you guys look at the previous video about this car, you can see all the swirl marks from whoever tried buffing it before, and they need to quit their job. But this guy here, yeah, such a great job. That shine is just ridiculous. So nice. Oh, she's happy. Extremely happy. Wow. It's crazy what a real detail does. I mean, it's crazy. Look at that work. So nice. Follow that line. So spectacular. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. So Angela's really happy with her car, and I'm happy that she's happy. It's important. It's important that she's happy. But yeah, so hey guys, what's going on? I think today is Wednesday, October the 27th, and we are doing some stuff. A little tired, but check it out. NewWayAutoLLC.com. Visit our website, fill out the application, we'll get you approved. Yeah, it's a beautiful day here in Florida today. You guys have a good one. I'm a little tired. Got a lot of work left to do. Alright guys, take it easy, stay good. Bye.